Hi guys, it's BB. Welcome back to my channel, my beautiful monarch butterflies. I hope that all of y'all are having a lovely day. It feels good to be back. I've been out for just a little bit and I ended up messaging Janet because she did do something sweet for me. She sent me some unexpected happy mail and I did let her know why it was taking me a little bit. We recently had a loss in the family on my daddy's side. And it's been quite rough, and I think with like all the emotions too, with crying comes headaches. So I've also been dealing with that, but I think we're good now, and I'm looking forward to opening and unboxing this wonderful sweet happy mail. Once again, Janet, thank you so much for having thought of me. Guys, go and check out her channel. She's always so supportive of other channels on here. She's always showing off her creative projects. So if you're not already subscribed, please check her out. She's a huge fan of sunflowers, just like I am, and an advocate for breast cancer awareness. So let's go ahead and unbox what we have here. She sent me these two together. So I'm gonna start off with the little one. Thank you for thinking of me. Oh, what is this? Oh my goodness. Oh, she didn't have to do that. Okay, some little goodies are stuck here. Oh, how cute is this? It's a little tag with tulips, which is perfect. I have a journal that I'm currently working on, or I could keep it for myself. I don't know. It's so cute. And strawberries. I don't know if you guys know, but I no longer can eat strawberries. They really affect my gallbladder, I guess. And I've mourned the fact that I cannot eat them anymore, but I do love strawberries. Anything to do with strawberries. If I can't eat them, I will definitely craft with them. And then she sent me this cute little tag with a heart. And look at this, you guys. She made a little baggie here for me with some sweet little crafty treats. Little tags. Oh my goodness, with sweet butterflies and tea. Thank you. You didn't have to do this. She's so thoughtful. Thank you so much. I love it. And then this little thank you card with some little bows. How sweet are those? I think these might be stickers. I'm not gonna test it out yet, but they feel like stickers. So let's move on to the next package. She's so thoughtful, you guys. Let's cut into this one. She knows me well, I guess, without even knowing. I love watermelon. It's delicious. She has decided to spoil me some more, as if I deserve it. Whoa, what is this? Oh, it's a sticker book. Wow. And it's hollow. I love me some hollow. I also reuse these ones for like crafts and stuff. I will reuse this for sure. And let's have us a look at this massive book. Look, you guys. The opportunity to be able to make whatever I want to with this. My Care Bear collection is growing. How sweet is this? It is huge. Look at that. Foodie, me. I love to eat. Oh my gosh, this is so sweet. Janet, thank you. I don't know why you shared this. I mean, I know why you shared it, but this must have been hard to let go of because it's so cute and Care Bears are making a comeback. You know what I mean? Wow. Wait. What does that one say? Oh, I love this one. This one's cute. What is he? What kind of, that's horrible of me, huh? I'm like, I like Care Bears. I recently just gotten into them. I never grew up with them, so you'll have to excuse me, but who is he? This one is adorable. Thank you, Janet. I will definitely use this in an upcoming project for Care Bears. I know I keep saying I'm gonna make one. I do plan on making one. I don't know when, but I get the feeling that it's gonna be huge. Like, it's gonna be a fatty. I want it to be big, and I think I want to make it almost like a cushiony like pillowy, because I feel like when I think of Care Bears, I feel like they're snuggly and cushiony and like squishy, you know what I mean? So I think that's the kind of style I'm gonna go for when it comes down to making the Care Bears, when I do end up making it. But oh my goodness, thanks so very much, Janet. I am so looking forward to crafting with everything that you sent me. I love you. Sending you hugs and blessings, and again, huge apologies for just barely getting to it, but you know what, the anticipation was there, and I just greatly appreciate you having taken time to think of me and for having prepped these wonderful goodies. I'm sending you my love, Janet. Bye guys, take care.